Well, I've always been impressed with Mount Royal. I've had the opportunity to meet some of the staff, faculty, and students over the last couple of years, and I've always been so impressed at how unified they are in terms of their belief in the organization and the focus on student-centered education. I think what became obvious to me about the strengths of Mount Royal is that it has fantastic people. And every faculty member I've met seems so committed, not only to their discipline, but to teaching. And so, I think it's that combination of scholarship and teaching that really makes faculty members great at what they do. I think it really speaks to the notion of being a community, and being a community where people are welcomed, and a diverse community where they belong and they feel that they can contribute. Education is really about personal transformation. Education transformed my life, it changed my life, and so as an educator, I think it's so important that we focus on the transformational powers of education for our students. The whole student really speaks to the notion of engaging that student as a person, as well as intellectually. And if you get that recipe right, that you can really change their perspective. And so I think good education really does consider their personal goals, their educational goals, and their long-term well-being. One of the things that I was learning about when I was doing my research and position was around the community engaged work that faculty are doing. I was just blown away and the type of work that they're doing, and even the way they're thinking about it. And I think that really is a differentiator of the university. But my aim as a leader really would be to try to engage with faculty, student, and staff in a collaborative manner. I think there's a really great opportunity for dialogue, for an exchange of ideas, and I think that is just so critical to move the university forward. The thing I'm really looking forward to is meeting members of the MRU community, people in the extended community that are supporters of Mount Royals, meeting alumni and donors and others. And MRU has always wanted to serve the community of Calgary and will continue to do so. And I'm also looking forward to being part of the leadership of the university, to work with all stakeholders to make Mount Royal the absolute best place that it can be, building on its history to try to strengthen that and go forward and write the next chapter. I'm Tim Rahilly, and I'm excited to be the 10th president of Mount Royal University.